Hi, this is Dawn from Motoplex of Norfolk. Today we are going to do a short walkthrough highlighting the Rockford Fosgate audio system on the Polaris RZR. However, since inventory is low due to COVID-19, we will be using this older RZR. Rockford is the leader in UTV audio. They teamed up with Polaris to deliver the first factory integrated off-road audio system that's designed to push the limits. Built to be the loudest, highest performing system the industry has ever heard.
Hey Dawn, let me help you with this. Hi, I'm Clayton. Let's start with stage 2, featuring two 6.5 front component speakers with 1-inch tweeters, powered by a 400-watt amplifier. This system is available with the Ride Command or PMX 2-source unit. Hey Jason, bring me stage 3.
Yo, stage 3 is a 10-inch subwoofer with an integrated 400-watt amplifier. This is a stealth-mounted under dash and doesn't take up any cabin space or storage space. You can hear it, but you can't see it. Richard, bring the rear speakers.
Okie dokie. Stage 4 includes 2 additional 6.5 coaxial speakers. Don't you know? In rear pods, which give the rider a true 360 audio experience. Woofda! Janice, we need the can speakers. The speaker cans.
For the ultimate audio experience, we have a rear 6.5 coaxial speaker cans that mount to the roll bar. These are an add-on option for stage 2, 3, and 4. All these audio systems are plug and play, so upgrading and installing is made incredibly easy. The system is designated for the rider's position. This off-road tune helps eliminate wind and motor noise, even at full speed. Designed to stand up to anything you throw at them, including dust, mud, and water. Thank you for joining us today. Stay safe, stay healthy, and blaze your own trail at Motoplex of Norfolk.
I don't know. You really want to see this? Yeah. I don't know how. This is narrated by Roxanne and Troy, prop by Hunter, Dan, Matt. Always wear a helmet.